PLC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company One More. Again, One More. That's number one and the word more put together. One More. And this is pretty much one of their granddaddy of headphone models. This is the triple driver over-the-ear headphones. They feature, I will say, just read it off the box here, a titanium driver with a ceramic tweeter and plus a passive radiator to deliver some extreme, accurate, and powerful listening experience, tuned by Grammy award-winning audio engineer Luca Bignardi. So what we're going to do is we're going to break this open. We're going to show you what's inside of this one. And then, of course, you can go to the website, as usual, at plcnetwork.net and see what we have to say about it a little bit later on. So it was already wrapped in plastic. So we've already popped off the plastic. I'm thinking this slides right out. Yep, there we go. Just a little tight fit. So it kind of basically looks like one of their their in-ear headphones, the triple drivers, quad drivers, dual drivers, and all the variations of which, only wider front to back. Pops open just like a little magnetic hatch, just like those do. You have the artist rendition of the headphones right here on the flap, kind of Leonardo da Vinci kind of approach. And you have a semi-hard shell casing right here with the headphones inside. You have some accessories. You can only, or pretty much guess, if you've seen some of the other videos we've done on some of the other models, what's in here. Okay. We have some instructions. Are these instructions? No, this is their kind of like the sales pamphlet, kind of a fold-out that has pretty much a listing of all of their products. You have the popular sticker of the bear, which is their mascot. And you have, here's the instructions that show you how to use the headphones. You have a nice, soft, stretchy polyester nylon filling, kind of maybe some spandex in there. Definitely spandex, actually. Soft case or drawstring bag, excuse me, to put the headphones in case you don't want to use the bigger shell. And let's dive deeper because we haven't seen the accessory cables or anything yet. Here we go. Here's a look of the headphones inside of the case. Up top over here, we have a 3.5 to 3.5 milliliter. It's just a Y cable. That's looks like it's breaking out your audio stereo left and right. You have a 1/4-inch adapter so you can hook to a stereo. We have the headphones themselves. These actually look and feel really nice. This is kind of what you'd expect for a high-end kind of a pair of headphones from like Audio-Technica or something. They look nice. Kind of the back grills of the headphones themselves kind of remind you of something of like a boombox back in the 90s or something. Both earmuffs on the inside are marked to left and right. And on the right side, you have your cable input. You have your left and right and a mono that breaks it down into a singular 3.5 millimeter stereo cable. And that's it. They're obviously not wireless or anything like that. These are a wired pair of triple driver headphones. And if they sound anything like their in-ear earbuds, their triple driver in-ear earbuds headphones, these are going to sound fantastic because you know it's just going to be better. They're bigger drivers. So if you've heard the triple driver in-ear headphones before, just imagine those with bigger drivers. You know, more sound, more range probably. And that's probably what these are going to sound like. So check them out at plcnetwork.net, where we're going to have a full review on this later on, and we'll talk about it. We'll tell you what we think, how comfortable it is. It definitely feels comfortable. It's got a soft band to it and muffs there. Fits really nicely on the head. So again, plcnetwork.net, see what we have to say about it. And if it's like most of their other stuff, it's probably going to rock. So as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.